Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of decision-making and exploring the psychology behind the choices we make. Before we continue, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can reach with this message more people as possible. Our decisions shape our lives, and understanding the factors that influence them can help us make more informed and rational choices. So, let's dive right into the psychology of decision-making. Cognitive biases. When it comes to decision-making, our brains are often influenced by cognitive biases. These biases are shortcuts our minds take, sometimes leading us astray. One common bias is the confirmation bias, where we tend to seek information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs. Let's say you're considering two job offers. You may unknowingly give more weight to information that supports your preferred option, rather than objectively considering both. Another cognitive bias is the availability heuristic. This bias occurs when we base our decisions on the information that comes to mind most easily. For example, if we hear about a recent shark attack, we may become overly fearful of swimming in the ocean, despite the statistical rarity of such incidents. Emotional influences. Emotions play a significant role in decision-making. Sometimes, we make decisions based on how we feel rather than rational analysis. The emotional state we're in can impact our choices. For instance, if we're in a positive mood, we might be more inclined to take risks, whereas negative emotions can lead to more cautious decisions. Additionally, our decisions can be influenced by the framing effect. This effect shows that the way information is presented or framed can significantly impact our choices. Whether it's a product description emphasizing the benefits or the risks, the framing can sway our decisions. Decision paralysis and satisficing. Sometimes, the abundance of choices can overwhelm us, leading to decision paralysis. This occurs when faced with too many options, and we struggle to make a decision. Research shows that having too many choices can actually decrease our satisfaction with the final decision. On the other hand, there's a concept called satisficing, a combination of satisfy and suffice. Satisficing involves making a decision that is good enough, rather than seeking the optimal choice. It allows us to save time and mental energy by choosing an option that meets our basic requirements. Decision-making is a complex process influenced by cognitive biases, emotions, and the way choices are presented. By understanding these psychological factors, we can become more aware of our decision-making tendencies and make better choices. Remember, it's essential to take a step back, evaluate your options, and consider both rational analysis and emotional factors. And when faced with decision paralysis, don't be afraid to satisfice. That's it for today's lesson on the psychology of decision-making. I hope you've gained valuable insights into how our minds work when making choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.